This is buckle down pages 204 through 205. Lesson practice part 2. Choose the correct answer. Use the information below for questions 1 through 4. The number of miles that Kurt cycles each week for a 7-week period is shown below. 57, 54, 63, 64, 70, 64, 75. First, you need to put these numbers in order from least to greatest, which happens to be 54, 55, 57, 63, 64, 64, 70. Double check. Yes, it's in order from least to greatest. Now we are going to use this set of data, which is in order from least to greatest. What is the mode of the data? Mode is what do you see the most? What number occurred most in this set of data? Let's see, 64. Number 2, what is the median of the data? Median means middle number after it's been ordered from least to greatest. Middle number, 63. Number 5, what is the range of the data? Range is largest number minus smallest number. In this case, 70 minus 54. So it is 16. Number 4, what is the mean of the data? Mean is the average of this set of numbers. So first, you need to add all those numbers. 54 plus 55 plus 57 plus 63 plus 64 plus 64 plus 70. And when you add it, you get 427. Now you need to divide 427 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because there are 7 numbers. Alright, 7 goes into 42. 6 times 7 is 42. Bring down a digit. Divide again. 7 goes into 7 once. 1 times 7 is 7. So 427 divided by 7 is 61. So mean is 61. Use the information below for questions 5 through 8. The table shows the number of pounds of vegetables a chef purchased at a farmer's market for his restaurant. What is the mode of the data? First, you need to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 12, 27, 51, 63, 53, 64, 81. Double check. Yes, that is correct. So we are going to use this set of data. What is the mode of the data? What number do you see the most? Well, there isn't any. There is no mode. Number 6. What is the median of the data? Median stands for middle number. we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we have these two numbers, but you need to find middle of these two numbers. What is between 51 and 53? The middle of 51 and 53 is 52. All right, number 7. What is the range of the data? Largest number minus smallest number. So it'll be 81 minus 12. $69. Number 8. What is the mean of the data? Mean stands for average, so you need to add all these numbers: 12, 27, 51, 53, 64, 81. When you add, you get 288. Now you need to divide 288 by 6 because you add 6 numbers. 6 goes into 28 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. Bring down, divide again. 6 goes into 48 8 times, because 8 times 6 is 48. So answer is 48. Now let's go ahead and do number 9 and 10. Giovanni says the median of the data set below is 14. What error did Giovanni make? Explain. Well, first of all, he did not put these numbers in order. You have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So once you put it in order, the middle number, which is median, should be 16, not 14. So his mistake was not putting the numbers in order. Number 10. The line plot shows the scores that the student in Miss Noga's social studies class received on a test. Now we need to get data from this line plot. These X's tell what number these are. So we have 80, 80, 80, 81, 82, 84, 84, 85, 86, 88, 90, 90, 95. So here we have set of data right here: 80, 80, 80, 81, 82, 84, 84, 85, 86, 88, 90, 90, 95. All right, what is the range of the scores in the line plot? Range is largest minus smallest. So 90 minus 95 minus 80. So range is 15. Next, what is the mode of the scores in the line plot? Mode, what number do you see the most? I see 80 3 times. So it is 80. Next, what is the median of the scores in the line plot. Median stands for middle number once it is in order from least to greatest. Middle number. It's 84. Okay, what is the mean of the scores in the line plot? Mean stands for average, so you need to add all these numbers. 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 81 plus 82 plus 84 plus 84 plus 85 plus 86 plus 88 plus 90 plus 90 plus 95. And when you add all these numbers, you get 1,105. Now you need to divide 1,105 by 13 because there are 13 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 13 goes into 110 8 times because 8 times 13 is 104. Subtract. Bring down. Divide again. 13 goes into 65 5 times because 5 times 13 is 65. So mean is 85. Thanks.